Let me walk you through how to manage your notification settings on Mac so you can stay connected without being overwhelmed by alerts. First, we'll click on your profile icon in the top right corner to access your account settings. From the menu that appears, select Preferences to open up your settings panel. Here's where you can customize exactly which types of messages trigger notifications, giving you full control over what gets your attention. If you need some uninterrupted time, you'll find options to pause notifications for a set period, whether that's 30 minutes or a few hours. You also have controls for mobile notification delivery and the ability to silence alerts from specific channels that might be particularly busy. To complete the setup, we need to make sure your Mac's system settings are configured properly. Open your Mac's notification settings and locate the app in the list. Finally, toggle on Allow Notifications here, and you're all set to start receiving alerts from the desktop app. Perfect! You now have complete control over your notification preferences on Mac, both within the app and at the system level.